So this has become my favorite tangle colored creation that I've done thus far. We were doing a live and turned it into a Willy Wonka inspired theme. I used quite a few tangles in here that are all in my tangle tutorial playlist that you can take a look at, like Marasu and Floors, a few others, many orbs. I also brought out my colored micron pens to use for the gumballs, which was a nice touch because it didn't have that black outline. It actually had the colored outline of whatever color the gumball was going to be. Then I watercolored with Ferris wheel press ink, and I love these. They're inks for pens that I use for watercolor. So I used Wondrous Winterberry, Frivolous Lime, Jelly Bean Blue, Tanzanite Sky, Beaver Dam, just to name a few. And there's probably a few others as well. But if you check out the link in my bio and click on the link tree, it'll take you, one of the options is Ferris wheel press inks. And if you use OTL at checkout, you can get 10% off. I love these inks. They blend well. I can make new colors from the inks that I do have. So that was Beaver Dam, what I used for the chocolate bar. And they just mix great with everything. But what I loved about this whole process was that I was in love with the tangle I created. I lost track of time. I lost track of everything that I was doing. My mind just was totally into what I was doing. So after this live took place, I spent days. I was up till 3, 4 in the morning, just enjoying and loving this and taking my time. And I do get a lot of comments. Does it take so long to get the final outcome of your drawings? Well, they take a long time. And I want them to be how I want them to look. And I want them to be my 110%, which that's why my tangles take so long, is I want them to look like I have given everything I have to what I create. So here's the final one, and then I have made it into a sticker, a vinyl sticker, and cardstock. Those are in my Etsy shop. There's only a few. And then I made a smaller version as well that's about half the size. So I go live at 7 p.m. Central almost every day except Thursdays. Hope to see you then. Have a great day.